Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I'm going to be most likely offering some type of DIY quarter wave antenna kit. I don't know if the housing will be exactly like you see here, but I'm testing one right now. I use coat hanger wire. I'll do another video on the actual antenna that's inside of there, but it's mounted on a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So you just run your coax down through here, and then this pipe would use U-bolts to mount it to your mass of whatever type of mass you're going to be using. Now, this is coat hanger wire. It's what I'm using. Okay, I took coat hanger wire that I had laying around. I stripped off the plastic, and I use coat hanger wire. Now, even though this is outdoor plastic I'm using, I would still recommend getting some clear coat, and then make sure it says on the can it's UV resistant, non-yellowing, and I sprayed the whole thing. I sprayed the plastic and my antenna. I sprayed it all down. So it's going to seal it even better yet. So now I have the analyzer hooked up to this antenna. This is tuned for GMRS frequency, and I want to show you how well this antenna is working. Now I have it set to the impedance, and it's about 51 ohms. Really good, really good. Now, of course, a lot of people are not going to have an analyzer, but if you build the antenna the way and I'll get into more of that later. Matter of fact, I'll post a link down below on where you can sign up to get notified when this becomes available. Might be a different housing, I'm not sure yet, but I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. The kit would, just be the housing part, possibly, and then the hardware you have to get yourself. But that's what the impedance is so far that I got at the moment. Now let's go to SWR. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Kind of bear with me here. Let's go to SWR and see what the SWR is on this. Now, like I say, a lot of people are not going to have an analyzer, but there's the SWR. That's how good I got this. This antenna inside of here, I'm going to do another video, and you can make this antenna without even soldering. Okay, and I'll do another video on that. I did solder. I soldered my ground plane rods to my ring connector, but the antenna itself, it's not soldered. And I used a coupler. I'll do another video on that, what's inside of there. So, at any rate, I'll put a link down below that you guys can sign up and get notified if you're going to be interested in this DIY type of antenna kit. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.